Ready to ditch the sales chaos and turn leads into loyal customers? In this video, we're diving headfirst into HubSpot to create a sales pipeline that'll streamline your process and boost your revenue, all in under 2 minutes. First, log into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Sales tab in the top navigation bar, then click Deals in the drop-down menu. You'll land on the Deals page if you haven't already. You'll see a default sales pipeline. To create a new one, click the Create Pipeline button in the upper right-hand corner. A pop-up window will appear. Give your pipeline a clear and descriptive name. For example, New Customer Acquisition Pipeline. Now for the crucial part, deal stages. These represent the different steps a prospect takes on their journey to becoming a customer. HubSpot provides some default stages like appointment scheduled, qualified to buy, presentation given, decision maker button, contract sent, and closed won. You can edit these, delete them, or add new ones to perfectly match your sales process. To edit a stage, click on its name. You can change the name, probability of closing, and deal stage properties. Here's where the magic happens. Click the Automate tab within each stage here. You can set up automated tasks, like sending email reminders or creating tasks for your sales team when a deal enters a particular stage. Once your pipeline is set up, you can easily move deals through the stages by dragging and dropping them. Finally, use HubSpot's reporting tools to track your pipeline's performance, identify bottlenecks, and optimize your sales process, and that's it. Now go forth and conquer your sales goals with your brand new HubSpot sales pipeline. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more HubSpot hacks.